this year you had a change of syllabus for bookkeeping and accountancy. The paper pattern has been changed for this year 2020-21, as well as the marking scheme is also changed for 2020-21. So we will say this year 2020-21 is a year of changes. Lots of changes has been made in the paper pattern, in the marking scheme. So we are going to discuss about these changes. So first, let us see the paper pattern for the year 2020-21, and subject is bookkeeping and accountancy. Now as you can see on the screen, question number 1 is objectives. Now objectives will come for 20 marks. Now which objectives are going to come? That is filling the blanks, answer in one word, answer in one sentence, true or false, format of bills of exchange. Still that pattern is not been received as per Mumbai board, but the total marks of objectives are confirmed, and objectives for this year, it is going to come for 20 marks. Now question number 2 onwards, there is a change of paper pattern. Question number 2, the question will come from the topic admission of a partner or retirement of a partner, and this question number 2 will come for 10 marks. Retirement of a partner is highlighted with red ink. The reason is, from this particular topic, that is retirement of a partner, the questions which are going to come in your board examination, that will be from practical problems. That means the questions which are given in illustrations are your solved problem. So from the solved problem, the questions are not going to come in your board examination. They are meant for self-study. So these chapters which are highlighted with red ink, that is retirement of a partner, bills of exchange, computer in accounting, and analysis of financial statement. Now from all these 4 topics, the illustration problems, that is solved problems, are for self-study. They are not going to come in your board examination. Only the practical problems, we called it as a unsolved problem, exercise problem, they are going to come in your board examination. Now for example, for retirement of a partner, from the Maharashtra State Board textbook, from page number 168 to 182, now the information which is given in this page number from 168 to 182, these are for self-study. And in this particular pages, the illustration problems are given, and those problems are not going to come in your board examination. So the problems which are going to come in your board examination for retirement, for bills of exchange, that is the highlighted topic, that will be your practical problems. So from this admission of a partner and retirement of a partner, you have to solve any one question. That is, question number 2 will come for 10 marks. In the similar manner, question number 3 is also going to come for 10 marks, and the chapters, the topics are, that is dissolution of a partnership firm or bill of exchange. So out of these two topics, you have to solve any one topic. Now as bills of exchange is highlighted with red ink, the same rules will be applicable here. That is the illustration problems, the solved problem of bills of exchange are for self-study. They are not going to come in your board examination. Only the practical problems of bills of exchange, from that particular problem, any one problem will come in your board examination. Now, let us go to question number 4. So, question number 4 will come for 8 marks. Here also you are having an option. So, either you can solve the topic, that is issue of shares, or the topic is computer in accounting. Computer in accounting will be a theory question. So I think you should not go for the theory question. You don't know how much marks you are going to score in that particular topic. So it is better we will see issue of shares. Issue of shares will come for 8 marks. Journal entries will come in issue of shares, and computer in accounting will be your theory question. So in question number 2, 3, 4 and 5, you will have options. Now let us see question number 5. Question number 5 will also come for 8 marks, and here you will get an option. You have to solve any one topic. That is, either you can solve death of a partner, or you can solve question from analysis of financial statement. Now here also same rule is applicable. The questions which are given in illustration, that questions will not come in your board examination. So the questions which are given, that is practical questions, only those will be asked in your board examination. Now let us see question number 6, and question number 6, the topic is accounts of not-for-profit concern. It is an compulsory question, and the marks for not-for-profit concern will be 12 marks. And the last question, that is question number 7, will also come for 12 marks, and the topic is partnership final account.